This is the ASUS ROG Phone 6D. For a gaming phone, there's something quite restrained about its design. Sporting the same general shape and styling as the rest of the 6 series, it features a smooth, pearlesque, frosted glass back, and rounded metal sides. Measuring 173 by 77 by 10.3 millimeters, the phone's is a tall, relatively narrow thing that's thicker than most smartphones, but doesn't quite feel unwieldy. At 247 grams, it's heavier than the 237 grams ROG Phone 6. The smartphone has the same display as the 6, and that's no bad thing. It's a 6.78-inch Samsung AMOLED screen with a 2448 by 1080 resolution. With a sky-high refresh rate of up to 165 Hz, smoothness is in line with the best gaming phones on the block. ASUS has partnered with Samsung to create an excellent screen quality experience on the ROG Phone 6D. ASUS loads up the display settings with plenty of viewing modes, including natural, cinematic, and standard, and you can also customize a personal color profile to suit your eyes. The phone packs 3 cameras around the back in total: the main 50MP f/1.9 camera, an ultra-wide 13MP f/2.2 camera, and a 5MP f/2 macro camera. Only the main camera packs autofocus, with the ultra-wide focusing from around a meter, and the macro camera focusing at 4 centimeters. That all isn't to say you can't grab good photos from the ROG Phone 6D. It picks up pleasingly shallow depth when photographing close-up objects, and shots taken in brilliant lighting are unsurprisingly rich in detail. The ASUS ROG Phone 6 introduced Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. And the ROG Phone 6D introduces the mediaTak Dimensity 9000 Plus. The first flagship processor from mediaTak to feature in a top-tier device in the West. The mediaTak Dimensity 9000 Plus 5G is produced on a 4nm process, features an CPU clock speed of up to 3.2 GHz and a Mali G710MC10 GPU. It has 16GB RAM and 512GB storage, all top-tier numbers. We already appreciated how cool the ASUS ROG Phone 6 Pro ran, but the 6D runs even cooler. Using the Aeroactive cooler fan, we were able to play an hour of games at maximum graphics settings, while keeping the temperature below 40 degrees. ASUS's ROG Phone 6D runs with Android 12, and games and apps are widely available through the Google Play Store. The whole interface is gaming themed, and when you squeeze the sides of the phone, the ROG Phone's Performance Mode X mode activates, complete with a wallpaper change. This over-the-top interface won't be for everyone, but for gamers and geeks, the ROG Phone 6D's UI shines, loaded up with motion wallpapers and lock screens. The 6D Ultimate gets a 6000 mAh batteries, and we couldn't be happier. Unsurprisingly, the phone lasts a full day with regular use, and up to 2 if you're conservative. But it's when you plug in the accessories that battery life goes way down. With 65 watts fast wired charging, the ROG Phone charges up by 18% in 10 minutes, 50% in 22 minutes, and 100% in under 50 minutes. The phone also ships with a fast charger in the box. Don't expect wireless charging, the feature hasn't made it into any gaming phone just yet. But we live in hope. ASUS and mediaTak have proven that flagship gaming phone power isn't a one-horse, Qualcomm race with the ROG Phone 6D Ultimate. A reimagining of the excellent 6 and 6 Pro and launching alongside both. With a new heat dissipation system, the phone games cooler than anything we've tested. Also packing excellent speakers, a mighty screen, and a fun, gaming-optimized UI. While the camera isn't going to blow you away, for a gaming phone, the 6D hits its mark. If you have gotten value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech 5 for more.